Embarking on a journey toward shedding those extra pounds, many people often overlook one of the simplest yet most effective tools available: water. Yes, good old H2O, which not only sustains life, but can also be a powerful ally in your weight loss endeavors. It's fascinating how something so fundamental can play such a crucial role in our health and well-being, especially when it comes to losing weight. Let's delve into how incorporating water drinking strategies into your routine can significantly aid your weight loss journey, backed by scientific studies and presented in a way that's both informative and easy to adopt. But before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button and hit subscribe. Thank you, and let's begin. Firstly, it's essential to understand the role of water in our bodies. Water is not just a thirst quencher, it's integral to every cellular process that takes place in our bodies, including those that metabolize fats. When we're dehydrated, our metabolism slows down, which can hamper weight loss efforts. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that drinking 500 milliliters of water increased metabolic rate by 30% in both men and women. This thermogenic effect occurred within 10 minutes of water consumption and reached its maximum after about 30 to 40 minutes. This research highlights how drinking water can temporarily boost your metabolism, helping you burn more calories. Water can also be a potent appetite suppressant. It's common for our bodies to confuse thirst with hunger, leading us to eat when we're actually just thirsty. By drinking water before meals, you can help fill your stomach, making you feel fuller and thereby reducing your overall calorie intake. A study in the journal Obesity supported this, showing that participants who drank 2 glasses of water before meals lost more weight than those who did not. This strategy is particularly effective because it's simple to implement and can lead to a significant reduction in the amount of food consumed during meals. To make the most of water's benefits for weight loss, consider these practical strategies. Start your day with a glass of water. This not only helps to rehydrate your body after a night's sleep, but can also kickstart your metabolism. Some people find that adding a slice of lemon to warm water provides a refreshing twist, making this healthy habit more enjoyable. Keeping track of your water intake is crucial, and thankfully, there are many apps available that can help you monitor how much water you drink throughout the day. These apps often come with customizable reminders, nudging you to drink water regularly, which can be incredibly helpful on busy days or for those who tend to forget to stay hydrated. If you're someone who finds the taste of plain water boring, there's good news. You can easily infuse your water with natural flavors by adding slices of fruits like lemon, lime, cucumber, or even herbs like mint. This not only enhances the taste of your water, but also adds a touch of vitamins and antioxidants, making hydration a more enjoyable and refreshing experience. Incorporating foods with high water content into your diet is another excellent way to stay hydrated. Fruits like watermelon, strawberries, and oranges, along with vegetables such as cucumbers and tomatoes, are delicious, nutritious, and help increase your overall fluid intake. Creating a routine around water consumption can also be beneficial. For instance, drinking a glass of water before each meal and snack can ensure you're adequately hydrated throughout the day, help reduce hunger, and prevent overeating. Carrying a water bottle with you wherever you go can serve as a constant reminder to drink water. Investing in a reusable water bottle that you love can make this practice more personal and enjoyable. Some bottles even come with time markers, encouraging you to drink a certain amount of water by specific times of the day. Before reaching for a snack, try drinking a glass of water first. This can help you determine whether you're genuinely hungry or just thirsty. If you're still hungry after drinking water, then you know your body needs food. This simple trick can help curb unnecessary snacking, which is often a hurdle in weight loss. It's important to tailor your water intake to your personal needs, which can vary based on factors like your activity level, the climate you live in, and your overall health. While the oft-cited advice is to drink 8 8-ounce glasses of water a day, your specific requirements may differ. Listening to your body and adjusting your water consumption accordingly is key. Beyond hydration, achieving and maintaining weight loss is best approached through a holistic lens. This includes eating a balanced diet rich in whole foods, engaging in regular physical activity, and ensuring adequate rest and stress management. Water, while a crucial component, is just one piece of the puzzle. Combining these elements can create a sustainable lifestyle that supports weight loss and promotes overall health. Amid the plethora of weight loss strategies and diet plans available, the psychological dimension of weight loss is often overshadowed. Yet, it's this very aspect that can significantly determine the success of any health goal, including weight loss. Embracing a positive mindset and understanding the psychological underpinnings of eating habits can magnify the effectiveness of simple actions like increasing water intake. Mindfulness, the practice of being present and fully engaging with the moment, can transform how we approach food and drink. By being mindful of our hydration, we not only listen to our body's signals more attentively, but also begin to appreciate the simplicity and necessity of drinking water. This mindful approach can extend to our eating habits, encouraging us to savor each bite and recognize when we are truly satisfied, thus preventing overeating. Moreover, setting realistic and achievable goals for water intake and weight loss can foster a sense of accomplishment and motivate further progress. Celebrating these small victories is crucial as it builds self-efficacy and confidence, reinforcing the belief in our ability to effect change. This psychological reinforcement is vital in navigating the ups and downs of weight loss, making the journey more manageable and less daunting. Furthermore, understanding the role of hydration in physical activity can deepen our appreciation for water's impact on weight loss. Water not only fuels our workouts, but also aids in recovery, helping us to stick with our exercise routines and enjoy them more. This positive feedback loop, where hydration supports physical activity, which in turn promotes better hydration habits, exemplifies the holistic nature of weight loss. It underscores the interconnectedness of our choices and their cumulative impact on our health. As we approach the concept of weight loss with a comprehensive perspective, incorporating water drinking strategies becomes more than just a tactic. It evolves into a lifestyle change that embodies mindful eating, goal setting, and an appreciation for how our bodies function. This broader understanding allows us to navigate our weight loss journey with grace, patience, and a deeper connection to our needs and aspirations. In closing, leveraging water as a tool for weight loss is both effective and accessible. By understanding its benefits and implementing strategic water drinking practices, you can enhance your efforts to lose weight and improve your health. Remember, the journey to a healthier you is not about quick fixes or drastic measures, but about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. So, grab a glass of water and take a step towards your weight loss goals, knowing that every sip is a sip towards a healthier, happier you.